7 10-minute money-making ideas in 5 minutes. You've got 5 minutes to watch this video and just 10 minutes to actually start making money. I'm about to show you 7 ways to get paid that you can literally start before this video is over. Let's do this. All right, stop scrolling. Forget all those complicated side hustles that take weeks to set up and forever to pay you back. That's not what we're doing today. Today is about 3 things: speed, simplicity, and cash. The problem is you need money and you need it fast. The solution? I've got a list of 7 real ways to make money that each take less than 10 minutes to start. No special skills, no startup fees, just you, your phone or computer, and a tiny bit of action. By the time I'm done talking, you could already be on your way to your first payday. Section 1, offer a microservice online. First up, become a micro freelancer. And don't worry about building some huge portfolio. Just head over to a site like Fiverr or Upwork right now. In under 10 minutes, you can have a profile and a simple gig listed. Think small. Can you proofread a 200-word email? Can you knock the background out of a photo? Record a quick 15-second voiceover? People pay for these simple tasks every single day. You can list a gig for 5, 10, maybe $50 and get it live almost instantly. While it depends on demand, your first order could come in surprisingly fast. You're just offering a quick fix for someone else's small problem. Section 2, sell your unused clutter fuckily. Idea number 2 is to sell something you're not using. Seriously, look around you. I bet there's something you can see right now that you haven't touched in a month. An old video game, that kitchen gadget you had to have, a shirt you never wear. Grab your phone, snap 3 clear pictures of it, and post it on Facebook Marketplace. Write a quick, honest description and set a fair price. The whole thing, from taking the picture to hitting post, takes less than 5 minutes. You could have a buyer in your messages in the next 10 minutes and cash in your hand by tonight. Depending on what it is, you could make anywhere from $10 to over $200. Section 3, complete online micro tasks. Number 3 is perfect for when you just have a few spare minutes. Sign up for a microtasking site like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker. These platforms pay you to do tiny jobs that computers aren't great at, like identifying cars and pictures, transcribing a short audio clip, or just verifying some data. Look, each task might only pay a few cents or a couple of dollars, but they take seconds to do. You can sign up and get started on your first task in less than 10 minutes, earning money while you're waiting for the bus or during a commercial break. Section 4, cash in on unused gift cards. Idea number 4 is basically found money. Go dig through your wallet or that one junk drawer everybody has. See any unused gift cards? You can turn those into actual cash. Websites like Card Cash will give you an immediate offer for your card. You can get up to 90% of the card's value back, and they'll pay you through PayPal or a direct deposit. Instead of letting that $5, $10, or $50 just sit there and expire, you can have it in your account. It's the definition of a quick win. Section 5, become a mystery shopper. Number 5, get paid to shop. For real. Companies are desperate to know how their customer service is, so they hire mystery shoppers for honest feedback. Signing up with a good mystery shopping company takes about 10 minutes. After that, you can look for assignments. They can be as simple as going to a local coffee shop, buying a drink, and then filling out a quick survey about how it went. You'll often get paid for your time and get reimbursed for the purchase, which means you get free stuff and a little cash on top. Section 6, trade in your old electronics. Got a drawer full of old tech? Idea number 6 is for you. That old smartphone, tablet, or laptop isn't junk. It's cash just sitting there. Head to a site like Declutter or Gazelle. All you do is enter the model and condition of your device, and they'll shoot you an instant quote. If you like the price, they send you a free shipping label. Just box it up and send it out. You can get your quote and shipping label in under 10 minutes and get paid as soon as they get the item. This could easily net you anywhere from $20 to over $300, depending on what you've got. Section 7, rent out your stuff. And finally, number 7, rent out your things. You own stuff that other people need but don't want to buy. Think about it. A power drill for a weekend project, a nice camera for a wedding, or even your empty parking spot. Platforms like Fat Llama let you list your items for short-term rentals. It only takes a few minutes to snap a photo, write a quick description, and set your daily price. You can start earning passive income from the things you already have starting today. If any of these ideas got you thinking, hit that like button and subscribe for more fast, no fluff ways to make money. Now here's a challenge. I want you to prove how easy this is. Go down to the comments and tell me which of these 7 ideas you're going to try in the next 10 minutes. Let's get a community of action takers going right now. And that's it. 7 ideas, 5 minutes of your time. Look, the goal here isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to prove to yourself that you can take action and make money right now. Stop overthinking it and just start doing. Pick one idea from this list and give it 10 minutes. You will be shocked at what you can get done. Now close this video and go get that money.